Do you ever think that you do not have a red round thing? Well, we have a solution for you. Whee! You can do anything with it. You can be LeBron James. You can be Jabron Lames. You can even become a dog. You can transform it into a small round gray thing. You can even become Britney Spears. Oh, such a beautiful singing voice. And also, you can be a cowboy with it. Oh.
Even become British.
Would you like a cup of tea?
Even become Ryan.
You can even switch the camera view.
And now, breaking news from our President, Barack Obama.
This is President Obama with some grave news. Every 60 minutes in Africa and parts of India, an hour passes. But we can change this with the big round red thing. Because every time you buy one, a millionth of a second is added in Africa. And it only costs $17,000. Buy one today.